This is number 5 from your study guide. It's a transformation of functions question. So I'm starting with, maybe I'll use a different color. Starting with the square root function. It says reflect over the x-axis. So I'll do these kind of each individually and add on as I go. Notice it says it finally, right here, finally graph after all of the following transformations are applied. So I need to make sure that I apply all of them and then look at one final graph. So reflect it over the x-axis. To do that, I need to put a negative sign in the front of my square root symbol. For b, I want to shift it 4 units to the left. So if we think about that, we need -4 to, which is this guy over here, to be what makes me square root 0. So I go minus root x plus 4. So that's going to take that graph and move it 4 units to the left. And then part C asks us to take it and move it up 3. So that's really easy. I just add 3 to the outside of the function. So I get negative root x plus 4 plus 3. So notice that as I go through here, it should start 4 units to the left. Whoops! It should start 4 units to the left and 3 up. So my starting point should, if this is right, be right here. Yep, right there. So 4 units to the left and 3 up. And notice when I plug in -4, which is that coordinate, to this right here, I get my root of 0, and then I go root -4 plus 4, so that's replacing the x with a -4, and then plus 3. Notice I get equal to 0 plus 3, which is 3, which targets that point right there. So I will label that point as -4, 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and graph the rest of the function. So so I've sketched a little picture here in purple of the square root function, which you should know. And I'm going to label my points 0, 0. And then the next one is 1, 1. And then the next one is 4, 2. And the last one is 9, 3. Because the square root of each of those x values gives me the y value. So what I need to do now is kind of build this square root function, but upside down because of the negative around this spot right here. So my over 1, up 1 point shows up right here instead. It's over 1, down 1. So that thing's coordinate is, if I add 1 to -4, I get -3. If I subtract 1 from 3, I get 2. The next one is my 4, 2 point. So from my original starting point right here, I go down 2, and I go over 4. That puts me right here at 0, is that 1? Yep, it's 1. My last point is my 9, 3 point. So I need to go down 3 from my 3 here, which puts me on the x-axis. And then I need to go to the right 9 from 4, or from -4. So that takes me all the way out to here. And I'm going to put a dot right there. I have 4 points, which is what they asked for. Now I can connect it like that, and we're good to go. And that's all.